Hi, this is Bob Rubart from the Oracle Technology Network, still here at OpenWorld 2013, and I'm talking with Ronald van Luttikhuizen. Ronald's an Oracle Asia Director and a SOA and middleware specialist. So Ronald, tell me about the most interesting project you've been involved with since the last OpenWorld.
So I'm working for a utilities company in the Netherlands, and we're doing a pilot to introduce a new middleware platform based on OSB and WebLogic and SOA Suite. And we have to prove all these proof points that we collected from the stakeholders. And I think a really interesting thing that we showed is that we can provision an entire middleware platform consisting of a database and WebLogic and the bus and the SOA Suite in under 15 minutes in an entirely automated fashion.
Wow.
And we're using Puppet for that. So there's some sessions at OpenWorld about the use of it. And it's a provisioning tool. And it really works well combined with the Oracle products. And there's going to be a big application that's going to be implemented at the same company. And they actually need 10 development environments and 10 testing environments. I don't know why, I mean it seems a lot, 20. But anyway, we have to roll out like 20 of those platforms. And it took about 4 days because you have this big manuals and you have the people that need to go through all the installation and configuration wizards. And now we can just basically push a button and it's there in 15 minutes.
Wow, wow.
So that was a nice thing.
And how long have you been involved in that project?
I think it has been 6 months now. And now we just finished the pilot and we're going to start the actual implementation in production and to train people on the use of SOA. So I think it will take another 6 months probably.
Okay, so you're in for the long haul.
Yeah, and you always need to be careful because after a certain amount of time you have to do a new project, a new customer, because otherwise you sort of, I don't know, it's good for you but also for the customer. You need to transfer the knowledge and the experience and people shouldn't become dependent on you or the consultancy firm you're working for. So
Interesting point.
probably after 6 months it's time for a new project.
Interesting. So how are you spending your time here at OpenWorld 2013?
I just wrote a blog about it because some people back home, they think I'm somewhere in the Bay Area drinking a cocktail and watching the America's Cup. And in fact, it's jam-packed with all sorts of things. Meeting people you haven't seen for a long while, meetings with customers, going to interesting sessions, presenting sessions, going to the OTN lounge. I don't know, there's a whole list on my blog just to show people and customers that we're not sitting in the bay drinking cocktails for a week.
So what sessions are you presenting here?
This year I'm doing one together with a couple of ACE directors, Lucas, Lonneke and Simon Haslam. And we're going to do a live development session for Fusion Middleware. So basically what we show in 1 hour is how you can build an application based on Oracle's Fusion Middleware, what components you need, and how it looks. And we used to do this demo for half a day at other conferences, and then we would actually build the entire application in half a day. Now we only have 1 hour. So we're going to show what we built the last conference in the 4 hours, and then make some changes and see how you deploy it. The session is Wednesday, starting at 5, so if people are interested how to use Fusion Middleware, they should go to the session. So.
Good to know. Well, Ronald, thanks for taking time out of your busy schedule to talk to me, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thanks.
This is Bob Rubart again for the Oracle Technology Network. Stick around the Oracle Technology Network YouTube channel for more videos from Oracle OpenWorld 2013.